Let's build a real AI tool today, start to finish, in a single sitting. No hype, no fake screenshots of huge paydays. Just a working thing you can show people by tonight. We're building a text summarizer. Paste in a long article, get back 3 clean bullet points. Here's the plan, and one concrete step you can do right now. Step 1. Get an API key. Go to any major AI provider, create a free account, and copy your key into a text file. That key is how your code talks to the model. Guard it like a password. Step 2. Open a fresh project folder and install one package. If you're using Python, that's a single line in your terminal. Step 3. Write about 15 lines of code. You send the article text plus a prompt like, "Summarize this in 3 bullet points," and you print the response. That's the whole engine. Step 4. And this is the part beginners skip. Wrap it in something usable. A tiny web form, a Streamlit page, even a command line prompt. If a friend can use it without you standing there, it's a tool. If they can't, it's a snippet. Now about money. Could this become a small paid product? Maybe. People pay for tools that save them 10 minutes a day. But you don't earn by watching tutorials. You earn by shipping something real, getting feedback, and improving it. There's no guarantee here, only a skill you'll actually own. So today's action: build the summarizer, then send it to one person and ask what confused them. That single loop, build, share, fix, is the entire game. Do it once, and you'll never see AI as magic again. You'll see it as parts you can assemble. Now go start the timer.